Hi there! In today's video, we're going to walk through a step-by-step process on how to blur a face in a moving video using CapCut. Let's get started. First, create a new project in CapCut and import your video using the Import option. Then, drag and drop the video onto the timeline. You can also add background music from the audio library. I'm selecting a track from my favorites. Now, select the video in the timeline, then go to the Effects menu located at the top left. Search for the Blur effect and drag it over your video clip. Next, we need to apply a mask to control the blurred area. For blurring a face, the circle mask is a perfect choice. Select it and position it over the face, adjusting the size as needed. Also, increase the feather value to around 12 for a smoother blur. Once you're done with the adjustments, scroll down and find the Track Mask option. This feature allows CapCut to follow any moving object. Make sure both the blur and the mask are selected, then click on Track. It might take a little time to process. And that's it. Let's play the video and see the magic of the tracking feature in action. As you can see, the blur perfectly follows the face, even as the camera moves. You can also blur other faces in the same video. To do this, go back to the Effects panel and add another blur effect to the same video clip. Just like before, apply a mask, preferably the circle mask. Position it over the second face, adjust the size, and increase the feather to around 20. Then scroll down to the Track Mask section again. Keep the default settings and click on Track. CapCut will now track and blur the second face as it moves. By repeating this process, you can blur multiple faces or moving objects in the same video effortlessly. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.